better known as Aling Lucin, the woman who turned a simple farm dish into a simple food of Kapampangan tribe, the world famous sisig.
Aling Lucin was born in Pampanga in the 1970s to work at small career along the railway. One day, she decided to remake an old Kapampangan dish made from leftover pig parts, the pig heads and liver which American soldiers used to discard from Clark Air Base. She chopped the meat finely, seasoned it with calamansi, vinegar, onions, and chilled and served it sizzling on a hot plate. The moment marked on the birth of sisig as we know it today.
The word steadfast, focus on truth, flocked to her ear, calling her the sisig. Her version becomes so famous that annual City was declared a sisig capital of the Philippines.
Today, Aling Lucin legacy still lives. Her restaurants still stand along railroad tracks, serving the same sisigs that made her a legend. Her story inspires local folks and entrepreneurs, proving that with creativity and passion, even the simplest ingredients can become something extraordinary.
Ang kanyang sisig ay itinuturing na authentic na Kapampangan sisig dahil walang itlog at mayonnaise, kung saan puro crispy, mainit at puno ng lasa. Iba't ibang karaniwang ulam bukod sa sisig, sikat din ang kanyang pako salad, barbecue, kare-kare at nilagang baka. Sikat sa lahat, naging sikat ang kanyang ulam hindi lang sa Pilipinas kundi maging sa ibang bansa. Paano ito nakakatulong sa pagluluto ng sisig sa pagpapasikat ng sisig? Ang kanyang pag-iimbento ng sisig na may baboy ang nagbibigay daan para mas makilala ito at maging pambansang pagkain.
Aling Lucin may but her spirit lies on every sisig